Have you ever wondered what the worst food for your liver is? You might be surprised to learn that it's not alcohol, sugar, or even fast food. The real culprit is lurking in your kitchen cabinets, masquerading as a healthy cooking staple. But the truth is, this common ingredient is silently destroying your liver with every bite. The liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It filters toxins, processes nutrients, regulates cholesterol, and much more. Without a properly functioning liver, your health can quickly deteriorate. So when something damages this vital organ, it's crucial to identify and eliminate the threat. What's the #1 dietary cause of liver harm? Industrial seed oils. These highly processed oils like soybean, canola, corn, cottonseed, sunflower, safflower, and rice bran oils are ubiquitous in modern diets. They're cheap to produce, have a long shelf life, and are used in countless packaged foods and restaurant meals. But don't let their convenience fool you. These oils are a recipe for liver disaster. So what makes industrial seed oils so harmful to the liver? It all comes down to their chemical composition and processing methods. These oils are extracted from seeds using high heat, pressure, and toxic solvents like hexane. This harsh process damages the delicate fatty acids, creating harmful compounds that wreak havoc on the liver. One of the most dangerous byproducts of industrial seed oil processing is trans fats. These unnatural fats are created when the oils are partially hydrogenated to extend their shelf life. Trans fats are notorious for increasing inflammation, oxidative stress, and fat accumulation in the liver. They also raise bad LDL cholesterol while lowering good HDL cholesterol, further burdening the liver. But the problems with industrial seed oils don't stop there. These oils are also high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, can promote inflammation throughout the body. The liver is particularly susceptible to this inflammatory damage, leading to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. NAFLD occurs when fat builds up in the liver cells, causing inflammation and scarring over time. As the disease progresses, it can lead to more serious conditions like non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. Shockingly, NAFLD now affects up to 25% of the global population, largely due to the widespread consumption of industrial seed oils. But how do these oils cause fat to accumulate in the liver? It all starts with their high levels of linoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid. When consumed in excess, linoleic acid gets converted into arachidonic acid, which triggers the production of pro-inflammatory compounds called eicosanoids. These eicosanoids activate pathways that increase fat storage in the liver, leading to NAFLD. Furthermore, industrial seed oils are prone to oxidation, especially when exposed to heat, light, and air. When these oils oxidize, they create harmful compounds called lipid peroxides and aldehydes. These toxic byproducts damage liver cells, leading to inflammation, fibrosis, and impaired liver function. Cooking with these oils, especially at high temperatures, only accelerates this oxidative damage. So what can you do to protect your liver from the ravages of industrial seed oils? The first step is to eliminate them from your diet as much as possible. Read food labels carefully and avoid any products that list soybean, canola, corn, cottonseed, sunflower, safflower, or rice bran oils as ingredients. Instead, opt for liver-friendly cooking oils like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. When dining out, ask about the oils used in cooking and request healthier alternatives. Many restaurants rely heavily on industrial seed oils due to their low cost and long shelf life. By making informed choices and advocating for your health, you can minimize your exposure to these liver-damaging oils. But eliminating industrial seed oils is just one piece of the liver health puzzle. To truly support and optimize liver function, focus on consuming a nutrient-dense whole foods diet rich in liver protective compounds. Some of the best foods for liver health include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain sulfur compounds that aid in liver detoxification pathways. They also provide fiber, which helps bind and remove toxins from the body. Leafy greens like spinach, Swiss chard, and dandelion greens are packed with antioxidants and minerals that support liver function. Chlorophyll, the pigment that gives these greens their vibrant color, has been shown to protect against liver damage and carcinogenesis. Berries, especially blueberries and cranberries, are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that shield liver cells from oxidative stress. These low-sugar fruits are a delicious way to satisfy your sweet tooth while nourishing your liver. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats that counteract the harmful effects of omega-6 from industrial seed oils. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce liver fat, inflammation, and fibrosis in people with NAFLD. Nuts and seeds, particularly walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds, contain liver protective nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a crunchy, nutrient-dense boost. Herbs and spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and milk thistle have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support liver health, and incorporate them into your cooking or enjoy them as herbal teas for a targeted liver health boost. In addition to optimizing your diet, other lifestyle factors play a crucial role in liver health. Regular exercise helps burn liver fat, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. Managing stress is also key for liver health. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation and oxidative damage, exacerbating liver problems. Engage in stress-reducing practices like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or spending time in nature to keep your liver and your mind at ease. Finally, be mindful of your alcohol intake. While moderate drinking may not harm the liver in healthy individuals, excessive alcohol consumption is a leading cause of liver disease. Stick to the recommended guidelines of no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men, or avoid alcohol altogether for optimal liver health. By making these diet and lifestyle changes, you can protect your liver from the silent assault of industrial seed oils and other harmful factors. But if you suspect you may already have liver damage, don't ignore the warning signs. Common symptoms of liver problems include fatigue, weakness, abdominal pain, yellowing of the skin or eyes, and dark urine. If you experience any of these symptoms, see your healthcare provider for a full liver evaluation. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is a serious condition that can progress to life-threatening complications if left unchecked. But the good news is, NAFLD is largely preventable and reversible through diet and lifestyle modifications. By eliminating industrial seed oils, focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, and adopting liver-supportive habits, you can keep your liver functioning optimally for years to come. Your liver is your body's ultimate detoxification and metabolic powerhouse. It works tirelessly to keep you healthy, but it can only handle so much toxic burden before it starts to break down. By making informed food choices and prioritizing liver health, you can give this hard-working organ the support it deserves. So next time you reach for a bottle of vegetable oil or a packaged snack, think about the impact on your liver. Choose foods that nourish and protect this vital organ, not those that silently destroy it. Remember, your liver health is in your hands. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and share it with anyone you think could benefit. Subscribe to the channel for more science-backed health and nutrition tips. And let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching and see you next time.